Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 10 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 maths and the chapter we are working on is surface area and volume. So we're going to start with a topic that is surface area of pyramids and cones. Surface area of pyramids and cones. Please make sure before starting the new lesson, you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points and examples as well. Got it? So let's start with surface area of pyramids and cones. Got it? Let's start with an example. What is the surface area of the rectangular prism? Basically, you are given with a rectangular prism. It looks like this. Here you have 10 meter. Here you have 10 meter, and the height of the triangle is also 10 meter. Got it? So you have to find the surface area of the triangular prism. Got it? So how can we find the area of the triangular prism? We can find the area of each face. Got it? So how many faces the triangle has? It has four faces, four triangular faces. The one and the opposite side of this one, the one and the opposite side of this one, and the one that is base. Base is the square. Got it? So you have to find the area of the all the faces, and then you can add them to find the area of the surface. Got it? Let's start with the first one. Let's start with this face, the first one. This one is 10 and this one is 10. You are given height and base of the triangle. So the area of the triangle is half times base times height. So it would be 10 times 10 is 100 and 100 divided by 2 is 50. So same is the area of the face that is opposite to this one. Got it? This is 10 and this is 10. So you have to do half times base times height and it would be 50. So all the four triangular faces has the same area, that is 50. Got it? 50 and 50 the same way because they have the same side lengths. And the base is square, 10 and 10. The base of the triangular pyramid is square. You have to do area of square. It is 10 times 10 100. Now you have to add the area of all the faces to find the area of the um, pyramid. Got it? Just calculate, add up all the areas to find the area of the pyramid. Got it? So you have to do surface area. You have to add all five areas of the faces. Got it? So it would be 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 100. So it would be 100, 200, it would be 300. So the surface area of the triangular pyramid is 300. Got it? You can calculate the area face by face and then you have to add them. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test. Math. Then you have to scroll down to grade 10. Then you have surface area and volume. Surface area of pyramids and cones. And let's start with the test. Okay, so what is the surface area of triangular prism? Okay, now we are given with triangular prism. So the triangular prism has four faces. Let's just calculate five faces. And let's just calculate the area of the triangular prism. Got it? It has four faces. So let's start with the, okay, let me just go to, okay, so let's start with the first face. So it has, the height is 3 and the base is 2. The height is 3 and the base is, sorry, here is height. Height is 3 and the base is 2. So you can find it, the area of the triangle, as half times base times height. So it would be half times base times height. 3 times 2 is 6 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, then the opposite side of this one is, here you have 3 and here you have 2. So it would be half times 3 times 2. So it would be 3 times 2 is 6 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Got it? And the third size, because it's a triangular prism, so it has three triangular sides. And the third one is the same, that is third 3 and 2. So it is half times base times height. So it would be 3. And the last one, base, because it's a triangular prism, so its base is also a triangle. So the base is, you are given the height is 1.7 and the base of the triangle is 2, 1.7. The height of this triangle is 1.7 and the base is 2. Got it? That's the base of the triangle. Got it? So you have to find half times 2 times 1.7. So it would be 3.4. It is 1.7. So for the total surface area, you have to add all the areas collectively. Got it? Just understand the figure. It's a triangular prism. Triangular prism has three triangular sides and a triangular base. Got it? So for the surface area, you have to add all the areas of the faces. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1.7. So it would be 3, 3, 3, 9 and 10.7. So the surface area of the figure is 10.7. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. If you have any confusion, any question, you can ask. I'll answer all your questions. You'll use the live chat box to to write the questions if you have any. Otherwise, if you already know the answers, just write the answers in the chat box. Got it? Okay, now you're given with a cone. What is the surface area of the cone? You have to find the surface area of the cone. Okay, so it has the diameter 4. Let me draw the cone. It looks like this. So the diameter is 4 yards and here the height is also 4 yards. Got it? So let's start with, okay, first of all, we have to find a radius. We know that radius is half times the diameter. The diameter is 4. So the radius is 1 by 2 times 4 and it is 2. Got it? And the height of is given, that is 4. So you have to use, first of all, you have to find the area of this one, the base, the circular base. So area of base is, it is circle. So it would be pi r square. The area of the circle is pi r square. Just use pi r square to find the area of the circular side. So it would be, pi is 3.14, r is 2, so it is 2 square. So it would be 4 times 3.14 and it is 12.56. Got it? Now you have to find the area of the area of the this one, the curved shape. You can say the area of the lateral height. So area of lateral height is pi r s. Pi is 3.14, r is the radius, that is 2, and s is the slant height, that is 4. So when you calculate the value, it would be 25.12. So for the area of the total surface, you can find the surface area of the, you can need to add the surface area of the lateral height and plus the surface area of the base. Just add both the areas, 25.12, and it would be 37.68. So the area of the cone is 37.68. Got it? This way you can find the area of the cone. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The correct option is 37.68. Okay, the next one is the area of the rectangular pyramid. Okay, now it is a rectangular pyramid. It has four triangular sides and with a base that is square. Got it? Let's start with finding the area of the rectangular pyramid. So it has four triangular faces. Let me draw the triangular faces. Okay, the length is 9 and the base is 9. For all the triangular bases, it is same. 9 and 9, 9 and 9, and it is height is 9. And for the square base, it is 9 and it is 9. Got it? You can see here. It is rectangular pyramid. Rectangular pyramid has four rectangular triangular side and one of the base that is square. Got it? See, height is 9, base is 9 for all the triangles, and then you can look at the square. It is 9 and 9. Okay, let me just calculate the value. So area of the triangle is half times base times height. So it would be 9 times 9 is 81, and 81 divided by 2 is 40.5. So for all the triangles, the values are same. So the area would be 40.5. Got it? And for the square, we know that it is side times sides. 9 times 9 is 81. So when you have to calculate the area of the mm, uh, uh, rectangular pyramid, so you have to add all the areas. Got it? Just add 40.5, add the areas of surface areas of all four faces, and then add them. It would be 40.5 and plus 81. So it is 243. So the correct option is 243. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. 243. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? I'm just moving on to topic. And the next topic is volumes of prism and cylinders. Let's start with volumes of prisms and cylinders. Okay, volume of prisms cylinders. Okay, let's start with an example. So you are given a shape like this. Here you have 7 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Okay, the shapes look like this. Okay, you have to find the area of the shape. So first of all, you have to find the triangular, look at the triangular side. The area of the triangular side is height is 7. Okay, the height is 7 centimeter. Base is also 7 centimeter and the length is 4 meter. Got it? So the formula for the volume is V equals half times base times height times length. Got it? So just multiply all the values 1 by 2 times 7 times 4. So it would be 7 times 7 is 49 and 49 times 4 is 196 and 196 divided by 2 is 98 cubic meter. Got it? This is the volume of the given shape. Got it? Okay, let's do another example. That is the volume of the cylinder. Okay, you are given with a cylinder. It is 3 inches. It is 8 inches. Okay, you have to find the volume. The radius of the cylinder is 3. The height of the cylinder is 8. So the volume of the cylinder is the formula for the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Got it? Pi has a value 3.14. R is 3. H is 8. Got it? Just multiply all the values. It would be 226.08. Got it? Okay, the next example is the area of the cube. So the area of the cube is let's suppose you are given with a cube. Okay, so this is the cube. Here you have 3 meter, 3 meter and 3 meter. So you have to find a volume. So volume of the cube is always side times side times side. Got it? The volume of the cube is side times side times side. You can note down the formulas and use them later when you have to find the value. So you need to do 3 times 3 times 3. So it would be 27 cubic meter. Got it? Let's just start with the examples. Let's just start with the test. Okay. Volume of the prisms and cylinders. So let's start with the test. Okay, you have to find the volumes, the one we just did on board. The volume of the cube, the volume of the cube is side times side times side. Got it? So you need to do 3 times 3 times 3. So it is 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 3 is 27. Got it? So the correct option is 27. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is again it's a cube. So the volume of the cube is side times side times side. Got it? Volume of cube is side times side, and all the side lengths are 4, I think. Let me just confirm. Yes, they are 4, 4 and 4. Just multiply all the sides. So it would be 4 times 4 is 16 and 16 times 4 is 64 cubic meter. Got it? Just select the correct option and move on to the next question. Okay, the next one is what is the volume of the cylinder? Got it? So that's the one we did on board. You are given the radius that is 3 and the height that is 8. So for the volume you have to do For the volume of the cylinder, what you have to do? You have to use the formula that is V equals pi r square h. The volume of the cylinder is the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Got it? Just put the values V equals r square h. R is 3, I think, and h is 8. So just calculate the values we did on the tutorial. So it is 220.08, I think. I remember we did this question on tutorial. So it is 226.08. Got it? Okay, the next one is again a cube. So the area of the cube, the volume of the cube is side times sides. So all the sides are 9. So it would be 9 times 9 is 27 and 9 times 3 is 729. Got it? So the correct option is 729. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, what is the volume? Okay, so the volume of, let me do it on board. Okay, you have to use the formula that is base is 7, height is 5, and length is base is 7 feet, height is 5, and length is 10 feet. This one is the length. Length is 10 feet. So you have to find a volume. So volume is half times base times height times length. Just put all the values 1 by 2 times 7 times 5 times 10. 7 times 5 is 35. 350 over 2 is 175. Got it? Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. The next topic is volume of pyramids and cone. The next topic is a volume of pyramids and cones. Okay, let's start with an example. You are given with a cone. You have to find the volume of the cone. Okay, the height is 8 mm and the diameter is 4 mm. So first of all, you are given with the diameter. Find the radius. Radius is half times diameter. The diameter is 4. So half times 4 is 2. That means the radius is 2 mm. Got it? The height you are given is 8. So the formula for the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 times pi r square. You can note down the formulas. They are very helpful when you are doing the volumes and the surface areas. Got it? So it is 1 by 3 times pi r square h. Got it? Just put the values 1 by 3, 3.14, r is 2, and height is 8. So just calculate all the values. It would be 33.4. Got it? That is the volume of the cone. Okay, let's start with the test question. Mm, okay, the next topic is we are working on volumes of pyramids and cones. Okay, what is the volume of the cone. So the height is 4 and the radius is 4. Here is the cone. The height of the cone is 4 meter and the radius of the cone is also 4 meter. Got it? So first of all, find the diameter, the radius. The radius is half times the diameter. You are given with the diameter, not the radius. Got it? So half times 4 is 2 meter. That means the radius is 2 meter. Now use the formula for the volume of the cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi is 3.14, r is 2 square and h is 4. Just calculate all the values. Let's see what is the answer. Okay, 4 times 4 is 16 times 3.14, 50.24, and 50.24 divided by 3 is 16.74. Got it? That means the volume of the cone is 16.74. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one, what is the volume of the rectangular pyramid? Okay, rectangular pyramid we are given with, you have to find the, okay, so the rectangular pyramid has four triangles and one of the base. So the base 6. First of all, we have to calculate the area of the base. Area of base, this is actually the base, 10 and 10. So area of the base is 10 times 10 is 100. So the height of the pyramid is, let me see, height of the pyramid is 6. Okay, the height of the pyramid is 6. Now we have to use the formula to find the volume of the, that is V equals 1 by 3 times the area of base times height. Got it? That is the formula to find the area of the rectangular cone. 1 by 3 times the 6 times height is 6 and the area of the rectangular base is 100. So it would be 600 divided by 3 is 200. Got it? So the area of the rectangular pyramid is 200. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is again a rectangular prism. You have to do the same. First of all, you have to find the area of the base. Base is 7 and 6. So 7 times 6 is, okay, we have done this one. This is 200. The next one is, what is the volume of the rectangular pyramid? So the area of the base has 7 and 6. Base is 7 and 6. So area of the base is 6 times 7. It would be 42. And the height is 9 is the height. So you have to use the same formula, that is 1 by 3 times the area of base times height. So 1 by 3 area of base is 42 and height is 9. Got it? Let's just do 42 times 9. Sorry, 42 times 9, 378, and then just divide it by 3. So it would be 126. So that means the area of the volume of the Rectangular pyramid is 126. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, now you are going with a triangular pyramid. So you have to find the volume of the triangular pyramid. Let's start with the okay, now you're given a triangular pyramid. First of all, you have to find the area of the base. So the base is like this. So it would be the measurements are 9 and 7. So this is 9. Okay, this is 9 and this is 7. So the area of the triangle is always half times base times height. 9 times 7 is 63 and 63 divided by 2 is 31.5. Got it? Now you have to find the height of the triangular pyramid. So height of the triangular pyramid is 5. Height is 5. Just use the formula volume equals 1 by 3 area of base times height. So it would be 1 by 3. Area of base is 31.5 and the height is 5. Got it? Just calculate all the values. So it would be 52.5. Got it? That means the value is 52.5. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, now the next one is what is the volume of the cone? So it is 4, diameter is 4 and height is 8. Okay, it looks like this. So height is 8 mm and the diameter is 4 mm. First of all, you have to find the radius. So the radius is always the half of the diameter. Diameter is 4. So half of the 4 is 2. Got it? And the height you are given is 8. So the formula for the volume is 1 by 3 and pi r square h. So it would be 1 by 3, 3.14. R is 2 square and h is 8. Let me just calculate all the values. 4 times 8 is 32 and 32 times 3.14 is 3.14 is 100.48 and 100.48 divided by 3 equals 33.49. Got it? So it is the correct option is 33.49. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. Ola, you are in which grade? Okay, the next topic is surface area and volume of spheres. Surface area and volume of spheres. Okay, let's start with an example. You are given with a sphere. You have to find the volume of the sphere. Got it? So you're given the radius is 8. So the volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. You can note down the formula. The formula for the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r square. Got it? Just substitute the values. 4 by 3 pi is 3.14 and radius is 8. So just calculate the values. Let me just calculate the values. 8 times 8 is 64 and 64 times 8 is 512. So 512 times 4 times 3.14. It is 6430.72 divided by 3. The 6430 divided by 3. So it would be 214.357. Got it? That would be the area of the sphere of the cone, surface area, volume of the sphere. Got it? So it is 2143.57. Okay, let's start with the test. Let's start with the test. Okay, you're given the sphere. That's the one we just did on board. So the first option is the correct option. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, now you're given with again a sphere and you have to find the volume. So the diameter of the radius of the wet sphere is 1 yards. Got it? This is 1 yards. So you have to use the formula. Radius is 1 yards. That is 1 v equals 4 by 3 and pi r cube. Got it? Just put the values. Pi has 3.14 and r is 1 and it doesn't matter. So 3.14 times 4, 12.56 and divided by 3, it is 4.19. Got it? So the volume is 4.19. So just select the correct option then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is what is the surface area of the sphere? You have to find now the surface area. Got it? Okay, the radius is 6 feet. Okay, here you have 6 feet. So you can calculate the area by using the formula. Surface area and the formula is 4 pi r square. Got it? Just put the values in the formula and calculate the surface area. It would be 4 times 3.14 and r is 6 square. So just calculate all the 36 times. It is 452.16. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Should be 452.16. Okay, the next one is what is the surface area of the sphere and the radius is 5 meter. Now you are given the radius that is Okay, the radius is 5 meter. So just use the formula. The radius is 5 meter. 4, 3.14 and r is 5 square. So it would be 25 times 4 is 100 and 100 times it is 314. Got it? So the correct option is 314. The correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we have done 4 of the topics today, and the topics are surface area of pyramids and cones, volume of prisms and cylinders, volume of pyramids and cones, surface area and volume of the spheres. So if you need more help with the topics, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? If you find the session helpful for you, please just click on the like button right below the video. So anything else you need to know, you can write the answer in the chat box. I'll wait for a while. So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye.